So we just got the 777 Mach1 bumper, and I just opened it not long ago to inspect all the parts and inspect for damages. This bumper is unbelievable. They did a really good job. All these parts, they look OEM. It came well packaged. Everything is in there. The door wind, the tulips. Also all the grills. A lot of people paint the grills gloss black, but I think I'm gonna leave it the way the color of the plastic is. I might do just a clear coat, which I'm gonna give this to my paint shop so they can paint just the bumper. And I don't know, maybe I'll paint the black pieces just a clear coat, just to protect it a little bit. But so far everything is perfect. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that gloss black grill. To be honest with you, I wasn't a big fan of it because it doesn't match the grill at the bottom. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get that done. Talk to you guys later after we paint it. Well, I just took the bumper off. I started doing this morning since I got the bumper painted, and I put it together as soon as I got it on Friday. Today is Sunday. I was able to work on it and finish putting it on. Actually, finish putting it together. It came out really nice. This blue will look so great. What I love about 777 bumper is that you can still use your regular lights, and it comes with a bracket and everything to put them on. So I just the passenger side. I'm gonna take the one from the driver's side. Right. Again, I'm not gonna do. I didn't want to do installation guide because I'm pretty sure that there's like a million of them in YouTube. I'm just trying to show you what I did with the car. They make it look so easy, especially when you put if you look at the 777 website and you look at the video to put that bumper together for the Mach1, they make it look so easy. Let me tell you that the hardest part on that bumper was putting the front lip, this thing, and trying to match it up, making sure that it matches everywhere. So that was the hardest part. Everything else was not as hard, but it looks really good. So I'm gonna finish the installation. I'm about to take the light on and put it onto the Mach1 bumper, and then install it, and we'll see how it looks. Finalized product. Well, finally got everything done. It was not easy at all. I don't know how they say that this is easy to do. It was not. I still got some gaps in there. I mean, I can see it. Not everybody, yeah, you can tell. It looks good. The paint match is pretty good from my friend that painted it for me. Nothing on this bumper was easy to do. Putting it back together with a pan. In instructions they tell you to put the track, what is it, the performance pack, spoiler to assemble it all together. Well, learn the hard I can't even talk right now. The hard way that you have to take it all out, you know, because the belly pan have to be sandwiched in between. Even after I watch a video and I saw the guy do the same mistake, I figure, okay, since the instructions in 777 says to do, put it all together. I figure, you know, there got to be a reason why to put it all together. But anyway, if you get in this 777 bumper, it does fit. It looks good. the biggest challenge I had with the bumper was the lower lip. That it goes into, you will need two people to make it easy. That goes into the grill. That's how it attached, the lower lip. And don't put the trap pack spoiler or a lower lip until you assemble the thing on the car. So a couple of things, you see it, I see this, it's not as it does not click, it keeps coming off. So I don't understand why that side come off and the other side, you see, it looks good. I try clicking it on and I don't know what the deal is, it does not stay. So I don't know if because the bumper, the lip was been there or it was heat up. I don't understand. So I'm hoping that it will stay there. You see, it just keeps coming off. Like it doesn't stay. Anyway, so yeah, it's alright. I'm not too happy with the bumper, but since I have to modify some of the stuff to put the other one, I don't think I can put the other one back. Maybe take it to a body shop to see if they can fix those gaps right there. But I'm just nitpicking now. But for the, you pay $900 for this bumper, it's you want a better fitting quality. Anyway, I hope you guys like my Mach 1 build. Until next time.